There are two types of shipping methods and goods. There are two ways of shipping, which is air shipping, sea shipping, and the two types of goods: normal goods, sensitive goods. The difference in the types of shipping and goods: air shipping is calculated using the weight of goods, that's the kg, while sea shipping is calculated using cubic meter. It is often calculated using the volume the goods occupies. Now, normal goods, it includes items like bags, shoes, plastics, ears, no different normal things, right? While sensitive goods includes perfumes, branded copy goods, batteries, and other related items, things that can, easily, that's sensitive, just like the air shipping is divided into express shipping and normal cargo, right? Express cargo is very fast, more expensive, more like 2 to 4 days, right? Normal cargo is still air shipping, right? It is fast and expensive as well. That's like 10 to 15 days. While sea shipping is calculated using CBM, which I said the other time, cubic meter, and it is calculated using the space a carton of goods occupy. The minimum volume for sea shipping is 1 CBM, which means that's the minimum volume they calculate, which is 1 CBM, and it is cubic meter, which is M3. That one, it takes long, like probably 2 to 3 months before it arrives your destination. Different companies, different countries, different timing. Now, how to calculate CBM? All you need to do is get the measurement of goods on the carton, which is usually length times width times height. If it is in cm, convert to meters, then you multiply it, and that gives you the CBM. Please refer to the carton on this picture. In the carton, you will see 60 times 27 times 60, which is length times width times height. You convert it to meters, and that's where our calculation begins. So, how to calculate CBM? The size of the measurement of the carton is in centimeter, the previous carton in the previous slide. So the first thing to do is to convert to meters. You do this by dividing each number by 100, and this is what you get. Length will be 0.6, width will be 0.27, while the height will be 0.6. Then you multiply them 0.6 times 0.27 times 0.6, which gives you CBM of 0.0972. So this will be explained more in the mentorship group. Whoever doesn't understand, we are going to explain more inside the mentorship group. So now we have our CBM to be 0.0972, right? So how do we convert this CBM into value, like into money? For example, if the shipping company says 1 CBM is 500,000 for Naira, right? Because most Nigerian companies use CBM. For UK and the like, they don't use CBM, unless probably you are carrying a container, maybe. But as long as I'm concerned, I've carried over 500 kg and they still use weight. Now, for example, if shipping company says 1 CBM is 500,000, this is how to convert. Remember our 1 CBM we calculated that time was 0.0972. You multiply it by 500,000, which gives us to be 48,600. Now, 48,600 is the amount you will pay when it arrives to Nigeria. For that carton, the amount you pay for the shipping is 48,600 naira. Hope you understand. We'll explain more in the mentorship. You can ask your question. And please note, I said CBM is only used for Nigerian shipping. I don't know if other countries will use Nigerian CBM for their shipping, but as far as I'm concerned, that I've tried before, UK use weight, kg, and the likes. Now, calculating here cargo fee, shipping fee times current dollar rates, clearing fee. Let's calculate for 20 kg of goods. Let's say shipping fee per kg is $12. I do not know, because most of these companies, they use dollar to calculate the air cargo fee. Now, the current rate, which I know, is $1,600, 600 naira per dollar. Clearing fee, I'm not so sure, so let's just use 1,000 naira. Now, you take the $12, which is the shipping fee, multiply by 1,006, which is the current rate, multiply by clearing fee. It's got us to 20,200. Therefore, air cargo fee for 20 kg will be 20,200 times 20 kg, which is the size of the goods, and that's 404,000 naira. That is the amount you will pay when it arrives Nigeria. Like I said, please know, this calculation is to Nigeria. For the UK and other countries, the shipper would have added everything. You need to tell them the weight. If you want to know the weight before you ship, tell them the weight, and they will tell you. Or you ask them, please, what is the price of your air shipping or sea shipping? Ask them if they know that hidden charges.